Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to build a sales funnel in ClickFunnels. This is a great way to guide your audience through a step-by-step process that turns visitors into leads and customers. Let's get started on the ClickFunnels dashboard. To create a sales funnel, all we need to do is click the funnel option on the left side of the dashboard. Once we see that, we just need to click Funnels, and here we will see the option to create a funnel. Now, let's click the Create Funnel button. Here, we can choose the Outcome section to create a sales funnel. We can select whether it's to grow our audience, make sales, generate leads, or host a webinar. We can also choose from the available templates to make things quicker and easier. Since we are going to offer a service, let's select Sell a Digital Product as an example. Here, we can pick a template. We can choose a template from many available options, or we can start from scratch if we prefer. Let's go ahead and choose the Moneymaker template. Once we click on it, we just need to click the Use Template button. Let's wait a moment for it to load while it installs on the panel. Once it's ready, we can start customizing the funnel. Here, we can begin editing each step of the funnel, from the opt-in page to the order page to the upsell and downsell pages. All we need to do is click here to edit and start customizing the page. On this page, we can edit the text, add images, and include any other elements we want. We can click Settings to save our changes. We can also add elements like content, media, or forms, which can be found here. What we include will depend on our product and what we want to show in each section. We can add images, drag and move them around, or delete them if needed. We can remove anything we don't want using the Remove option. We can also embed code here if needed. Once we are done, all we need to do is click Save. And that's how we build a sales funnel in ClickFunnels. With this setup, we can automate our marketing and increase conversions more effectively.